It's a new day, guys. I just got notified that the Subi was done with the framework, so we're gonna go look at it. We're probably gonna go ahead and pick it up and bring it home and do some body work or something like that. So let's go check it out. There you have it, guys. The framework is done. The doors align great. I'm gonna let them pull it out and I'll show you guys a little bit better. All right, guys, so I just had to film this. Dang, what happened? What does that mean right there?
What happened was the Bondo, or the primer, was just out in the rain too much. It absorbs all the water and it just starts cracking it.
That's crazy. Alright guys, so I'm heading back. Got everything empty. We're just trying to take it easy. Oh shoot, just stalled this thing. And it's the first time ever stalling, but I was kind of trying to focus on recording. But I'll see you guys back at the house. Alright guys, just made it back home. We're going to show you guys the framework. It looks great, man. Absolutely great job. Let me show you guys what's going on here. So they pulled that little kink out, so everything's pretty smooth here. Gonna need a little, yeah, they straightened it out. Doors closed great. Show them that door. Everything lines up.
Yeah, we're just gonna have to take these doors off, and we're gonna have to do some body filler, make this all straight, because they had to straighten all this out, straighten that out. And then we'll paint the inside of this door, and that should be it. And then we'll work from the outside.
Look at those door gaps, guys, man. They're just perfect. Everything closes great.
OEM.
You don't even have to slam it. Yeah, it's almost OEM. I just ordered the bumper fog light bezels. We got a grill on the way. So basically what we got to do is get to this body work, take these doors off, and start straightening stuff out pretty much. Making it smooth.
Yep.
Ooh, look at that. Blood, airbag, what?
Yeah.
Came out of a...
I don't see no blood.
This is probably like on the car that it came off of. Alright guys, so we're actually gonna hold off on the Subaru for now. And we're gonna move on to this Rubicon. We gotta throw some Loctite on these ends so they don't come loose. Pretty much is gonna do a checkup, maintenance on all the control arms, everything on the suspension. Make sure everything's tight, make sure nothing comes loose. And we also gotta fix the turn signals because we haven't got that yet. So should be an easy fix, but for now we're just gonna go through all the suspension, make sure everything's tight. So we got the rear tail lights figured out. The blinkers work on those, but up front here is a little bit more confusing. So you got to do a little bit of you got to just test it out, test different wires out, and just pretty much figure it out. We're trying to get this halo to blink. So there's white and then there's orange for the blinker or the turn signal. It is working. There's another way you can wire it where it's just the orange blinking, but
I don't know if there is a way. I don't know.
Maybe there's not. Maybe we'll just throw an extra blinker into this little hole. There's one that just pops right in. But for the most part, the blinkers work, so we're roadworthy. Now we're about to go test it on some high speeds. We're gonna actually go test it on the highway for the first time ever. All right, here we go, highway. It doesn't seem like we're gonna go too fast because of this traffic, but we should be able to get up to speeds here soon. 80 miles an hour, pretty dang smooth.
Easy. Look at this.
Passing people, these 488 gears really make a difference, man. That's the top speed right there, 90 miles an hour.
Won't let me.
Yeah, it's limited at 90, I guess. Alrighty. Take those glasses off, them goofy things. Alright, start the day off. We kind of started late because we were kind of cleaning up the Jeep. We sold the green Sahara. So we sold the green Sahara and we sold the white Rubicon, guys. So I know you guys may be a little bit devastated or hurt, but we're happy, man. We're happy. We're ready to move on to another build, possibly build this Rubicon. I'm in the Rubicon right now, and we're at the bank actually right now. We're doing the deal. Let me guys show you the guy that's buying it right there in the truck. Jeep Nation just pulled up on us out of nowhere. So as soon as we get back home, we are probably going to be working on the WRX, so we got to get that thing done. We got to at least get it finished stock, and then that's when the mods are going to come, guys. So stay tuned. Be sure to turn on your post notifications right now before we continue. So be sure to turn them on so you don't miss out on anything. What's up, Goon Squad? A new day out here. It's going to be all about the WRX, guys. So there was a little bit of damage to this pillar on this center post here. We got that pulled out. If you've seen the previous video, take them over here. Okay. As you can see, guys, there was just like a little crease in that corner there. So we got that pulled out. That's the reason for the frame machine, but the doors closed great with ease. Everything is perfectly aligned. Everything's ready. We got the front bumper on. It's looking great. So now our main focus would be to get the bodywork finished on this thing. We gotta take off both doors, and then we're gonna move into the jambs and start working on the bodywork there. So this is where most of the damage occurred to this pillar, which it's all fixed. We just gotta maybe grind it down a little bit, throw some Bondo here and there. Got a Bondo this, a little bit wavy there. Very minor here, but it's gonna take a little bit of time and pretty much crafting, smoothing it out.
All right, so I'm removing most of this loose paint so I don't have to just sit there and sand it.
And go ahead and remove that front seat so it doesn't get too dusty. We got a few loose bolts that are hand tightened. I'm gonna remove that right quick.
All right guys, so before we start sanding or doing any type of body work right here, we're gonna cover this dash up because this dust and whatnot gets in all these little cracks and crevices, and it'll be like 20 times harder to clean. So it's better to just cover everything up and it'll be a lot better.
That's gonna prevent any Bondo dust getting into our brand new dash. So now on to the next step.
All right guys, so I'm gonna prep it for Bondo right now with an 80 grit. I'm just gonna rough it down really nice so that Bondo can stick. Most of everything sanded down just to rough it, and I'm gonna go ahead and smooth this out a little bit more with this flap wheel that we have, so I can go ahead and Bondo it.
Before we continue the grinding process, I'm gonna go ahead and tape off this whole area right here so it'll reduce any of the sparks that are flying in and also the Bondo dust. What we're gonna do is use that flap disc there to grind down some of these welds just a slight bit and just smooth it out so we can apply Bondo. Before you apply the Bondo, you do want to wax and grease remove it so the Bondo does stick to it.
Got to mix this filler up if it's been sitting. Mix it up real good before you get some on your little plate.
That's about all we're gonna need right there for the first roundabout, right?
Alright guys, so while we're waiting on this Bondo to dry, if you're looking for a new or used car, please go visit carmarshal.com. The link will be down below. They help you buy new and used cars. Now let's get back to work.
Alright, you can see the UPS man driving away. He just dropped us off a package. Let's see what it is. I'm excited. I think I know what it is.
It says Subaru on it.
A freaking grill.
What? Did you buy a grill?
Nope. A good supporter of ours actually sent that to us.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Nice.
So we appreciate that. That was very much needed there. Oh, yeah, there is another piece of it.
Ooh,
Oh,
that's
awesome,
nice.
Dude, is that the same exact color?
I don't know. I think it's black. I think it's a black up front.
Yeah, I guess it is. Dude, that's freaking awesome. Just the piece we needed. Beautiful.
We appreciate you, Jason, for sending this out to us. It's getting us one step closer to finishing off this Subaru. It's sharp. I love that grill. Looks nice. Appreciate it, brother.
Sorry about the noise in the background. My dad's back there mowing. But we're gonna go ahead and use this icing.
Auto filler. It's just lightweight filler. Alright, now that it's dry, this glazing putty, I'm gonna go ahead and start sanding it, trying to get it as smooth as possible. Alright guys, so I changed my sanding pad to a 180. It's not as gritty as the 80 grit, it's a lot smaller, so I'm gonna try to finish it off, get everything smooth with this grit.
A little bit more, probably one more thin coat, and hopefully that'll be it. Doing some final touches for today, and then tomorrow we'll probably get out here early and start priming it. But it's going pretty good so far. Having some pretty good progress. Just doing a lot of brainstorming about what we want to do to this build. You guys are gonna have to stay tuned for this. There's gonna be some changes, So guys, be sure to follow us on Instagram at Goon Squad. Also, if you're new, be sure to like and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications as usual. If you want to support us, be sure to check out our Patreon. The link is going to be down below. We appreciate all the support, and you guys make these videos possible. Also, be sure to visit goonsquad.com, copy some Goon Squad apparel, and support your boys. The stuff is going quick, so be sure to get yours.
Shout out to Dirty Merv on Instagram. Be sure to check him out on Instagram in his nice Subaru.
So that's it for today's video, guys. We got a lot of progress done. We always do. So we'll be right back out here tomorrow, but we usually post every other day. So stay tuned, and we'll catch you then. Peace.